Hey, it's AJ. Welcome back. And today we are gonna learn how to make Chinese drunken chicken. Chinese drunken chicken is a popular dish served during the summertime because it's served cold and it's very refreshing. The recipe is super simple and I'm gonna show you how to make it right at home. But before we get started, I'm gonna teach you how to say the word in Chinese. The word in Chinese for drunken chicken is 醉鸡. 醉 means drunk. 鸡 means chicken. When we put it together, 醉鸡 is drunken chicken. 醉鸡. So let's get right to it. Here's what we need to make Chinese drunken chicken. I'm a big fan of chicken wings, so we chose chicken wings for our dish today. We need some Shaohsing. This is a Chinese rice wine. This is what makes the chicken drunken. You can see there's alcohol percentage of 13.5% rice wine. So you want to make sure you look for Shaohsing. Need a stalk of green onions, some ginger, some salt, make it salty, a little sugar, just a hint of sesame oil, and some chicken stock. And you'll need a Ziploc bag to put everything in. You can choose to use a bowl or jar or anything you have, but today we're gonna use a very simple Ziploc bag. Now we have our sauce and our chicken wings that's fully cooked. It's time to put it together. First, let's put the chicken in. We cut up some green onions. Toss those in. And we mix the sauce in. And we want to put a couple drops of sesame oil. This kind of brings out a little of the flavor. It's enough. Alright, here it is. Nicely packaged in the Ziploc bag. We're gonna give it a little mix, a little shake. Make sure the sauce is fully immersed with the chicken. And I think we are done for tonight. We're just gonna put this in the fridge for about a day or two. We'll check it tomorrow and see how it tastes. Alright, good night, my little chicken. By tomorrow, you will be very drunken. The smell. Very strong. You can smell the alcohol. Very, very strong. And here it is. Chinese drunken chicken. I just topped it off with some shredded green onions. Smells very good. Alright, we'll give it a taste right now. Yeah, you can definitely taste the alcohol. It's soaked pretty well just overnight. It's been about 24 hours. I like it. It's summertime right now, so it's very refreshing. Alright, so that's how you make Chinese drunken chicken, 醉鸡. I've included the recipe in the descriptions below, so make sure to check it out if you are interested to make it yourself. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.